Hey, it's Dougie Wood. I'm an official Microsoft MVP, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use the sum formula inside of Microsoft Excel. Now, what we're going to be doing is looking at a spreadsheet of data and using the sum formula to calculate, essentially add up the values that we have inside of a column. Now, this is going to be a really simple exercise. It's not even going to take 60 seconds to show you. Now I'm going to start off by selecting a cell inside of my spreadsheet and then typing in equals followed by sum and an open bracket. Then all I need to do is select the cells that I want to add up, and you can see them entered into this cell. Then use the close bracket and click on enter. And that's it, as simple as that. That's exactly how we can use the sum formula to calculate or add up two or more values together inside of an Excel spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft top tips.